All right. Welcome back, traders. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our pre-week Forex forecast and review trading with Teamwitherving. So we are going to be trading our system, multiple time frame system. Today we are going to be reviewing the week of December 21st to the 25th, 2020. This is it, guys. This is the last week. Next week, we're just going to be trading half of the week, and then the remain, it will be for fiscal year 2021. So congratulations to all those that have made tons of pips this 2020. Let me go ahead and give you the Forex disclaimer before we move on, is that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds and what? Wait. And hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. Let's go. So let's go ahead, guys. Let me go ahead and show you what I have for this pre-week. Remember, we are trading the week of December 21st to the 25th. This is our 32 trade that we are taking it this month of December. So this month of December, so far, out of these 22 pairs that we have analyzed, only 3 pairs has gone against us. It has been a very amazing month, even though the December can be a very challenging month. So, all right, like I said, this is NCD Canadian. So this is what I have for this particular pair. The pair here is giving me a PV. Pay attention what the system is letting us know here. The system is letting us know the market is getting ready for what? Sell. Look at here. Market failed to close currently on the 4 hours. It failed to really close as a bearish position. So the market still trending up. So this guy here still in charge, guys. So remember, the market here is bullish. Pay attention what our radar is letting us know here as well. Our radar is letting us know the market is still in a buy position. So we're still looking for the buy position. So what is my opinion on NCD Canadian for the week of December 21st to the 25th is the following. So I still think the market is still going to push up. It's not ready to be in a bearish position. We may be looking for 3 or 5 candles here. So which most likely is going to come back to the same level, entry point. And then this 4 hours going to be popping in this location here. Then the market will be dropping as sell. So that is my understanding on NCD Canadian. Guys, I'm here live. Please let me know if you do think otherwise. I'm here to help you out, and so we all can work out and close this fiscal year in a good relationship review in the market. Remember, you don't have to agree on everything I do, but there's one thing that you and I need to agree is how to analyze the market correctly. So look, I have been very patient to give you all this analysis, all this 2020. Same thing I'm gonna do in 2021. So I'm very excited for that. So let me go ahead and show you the next pair that I have here. The next pair is gold. I don't know if any of you guys are trading gold. Pay attention what our radar is letting us know. The radar is letting us know, look, 4 hours is selling. Look at here, 4 hours is selling. Look at what the daily is doing. The daily is still in a buy position. This is the daily here, right? So look at that. The magic arrow still in a buy position, because in here is this sell here, guys, still forming. The weekly here still in a buy position. Look at that, buy, that is correct. So look at what the monthly is saying. The monthly is saying that we are selling. That is correct as well. So this is how our system works out in here. So by the way, guys, let me go ahead and type here before I move on what kind of system we are trading. So look, we are trading multiple time frame system. So you can find us on our website as well on www.tweforexsystem.com. There it is. Very straightforward. It is what it is. And another thing that I want to make sure I do bring it up is, guys, make sure you like our video. So if you found value, it helps the algorithm of our YouTube, so YouTube can help us out and make us get more excited to make more content for you. A lot of people charge you for what I give you here, but not in this channel. Obviously, you're not trading with our system if you don't have it, but make sure you subscribe, destroy that like, and let's go. Share it with all the social media, and you are more than welcome to do so. All right, let's go back to business. And here, what I'm seeing here, guys, the market is getting ready of what? It's getting ready for a nice drop, but it's not ready yet. If you are not trading with multiple time frame, please, guys, go back to whatever system you are using and analyze it, and you will see the market is not ready yet in a sell position. So what I think the market is still gonna do, guys, still gonna be pushing about 1 or 3 more candles here. Then finally, it's gonna push this leg up, and then obviously we're gonna be seeing a sell position. It's getting ready, letting us know, hey, Irvin, we are coming in a sell position. Are you jumping in? So most likely, yes, will be in a sell position. But guys, we are gonna be pay attention to this, what I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you today is Saturday, December 19, 2020. Tomorrow is December 20, 2020, right? So what I'm gonna be telling you today is, and tomorrow, I'm gonna remind you, tomorrow Sunday, is that we are gonna be getting a brand new trend on fiscal year 2021. If you guys want me to make any of your video or any pair that you're struggling, please let me know. If you can comment and let me know what kind of title I need to make on your video, I will be more than happy to do so. My job is to teach you to become a very profitable trader for fiscal year 2021. So far in this year 2020, we have done such an amazing job. But going back to the chart, goal is, this is my opinion on gold. Remember, this is just for educational purpose. This is not signals, but I'm very confident on my analysis. So far, we have lost only 3 trades this month of December, so we are hopefully gonna be closing with maybe 2 more losses for the month. 42 pairs in a month. It's not a bad deal, guys. But so far we have analyzed 32 pairs, and out of 32 pairs, only 3 pairs has gone against us. So very good information in there. All right, let's go back to Euro GBP. Pay attention what Euro GBP is doing. Straightforward. We're looking here. The market is what? Market is getting ready for this sell here. The question is it ready? Remember, who's in charge in here? Market is still in a buy position, guys. Buy. So right now what we're looking here is we're looking for a sell. Look at that. This guy is taking in charge of that sell. So right now we're still pushing the buy position. It's the one that I just mentioned right now. All this buy position that I told you here still valid, right? So right now we're still in that buy position here. So what is my opinion on this particular pair here is the market still pushing up, still doing that PV. So this is a PV the market is doing. It's not fully ready yet to be in the sell, on the continuation of the sell, because right now this guy is the boss. So right now it's just doing a small PV. So my opinion for the remainder of the week, for the week of December 21st to the 25th, is the market still have room to push up about 1 or 3 more candles, because there's no full indication yet the market is ready to be in a sell position. Once it gives us about 2-3 candles, yes, finally we are gonna start seeing a sell position on Euro GBP. What do you guys think? What is your opinion? Please comment below, guys. If you have any opinion, I'm fine with it. My job is to make sure that you guys collect what? Hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. That is all I care. I want you. Hopefully every one of you guys are doing great for this holiday. Please guys, don't trade any money that you can't afford losing. If you need to practice, make sure you practice in demo. We also have private one-on-one that we have recorded with all the traders, guys. Come and take a look at it if you really want to master your skills. Look, if you are planning to grab a multiple time frame, please don't do it yet. Please listen to me. All what you need to do is join our Go membership, learn from there, then come in and get our system. But in the meantime, don't get it, please. All right, let me go ahead and give you what USD peso is doing here. USD peso, guys, it looked like the market is getting ready in a buy position, but it's not fully ready there yet. Pay attention. I don't know what the month of January 2021 is gonna do, but so far right now we're still looking for a sell position. Look at this one. This guy here is giving us a PV. Right now it's getting ready for the continuation of the sell, but the sell is not ready yet. So my opinion for this pair is the market still has room to drop about 3-5 candles down. Then finally the market will be in a buy position. Why am I saying the market is getting, it looks like it's getting ready for a buy position? Because the market is in a very key area or your hot zone as a buy bullish market, right? Pay attention. Let me go ahead and explain in a different way. Pay attention what our multiple time frame is letting us know here. The multiple time frame is letting us know the market is sitting in a very, very strong area. So all we need to see is if the market is going to be bullish on 2021, then we need more confirmation popping in this location here. So to be honest, the question is it going to happen? I'm not sure. But right here, I'm looking for January to give me indication where is the market gonna be heading. So most likely, if everything works out, basically our multiple time frame is giving a signal the market is getting ready to be in a buy position. So yes, market can turn back and continue as a bullish. Anyway, this 2020, guys, I have give you amazing pair analysis. I think throughout the years, if I'm not mistaken, probably we lost about 20-25 trades live here on YouTube. You my witnesses. It's not. Look, you be watching me all this 2020. You have seen everything I had tell you, and you can judge me whenever you want. But guys, today I'm giving you only the pre-week. So tomorrow, Sunday, I'm gonna be giving you guys our weekly forex analysis, right, which is gonna remain for the rest of the week. And on Wednesday we're gonna come back and analyze today's video. Today's the pre-week, right? Today's the pre-week. Tomorrow is the full week, and Wednesday we're gonna come back and analyze these two videos. Then you're gonna most likely ask questions if you do have any. If not, that's fine. But that's what we're gonna be doing, guys. Please, thank you so much for supporting our channel this year. I'm very excited for everything we have done as a team, and that's all I have. Unless, I don't know if you guys have any question, please comment below and let me know. But I want to thank you guys, to be honest, for real. Thank you for the bottom of my heart for everything you have done in our channel, in our community. Keep helping. Always stay humble. No matter how much money you're earning on this business, always stay humble. That God loves those kind of traders like that. So stay humble, okay? So thank you guys. God bless you. And remember, stay safe. Don't be careful this holiday, guys. God bless you. And God bless the United States. Take care, guys.